Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a digital phenomenon that started as a total joke and somehow transformed into a multi-billion-dollar financial reality, Dogecoin. You've seen the memes, you know the Shiba Inu, but do you know the true story behind the people's crypto? Grab a seat, because we're unpacking how a currency born from internet humor took the world by storm. The year was 2013. Bitcoin was gaining serious traction, but it felt elitist and overly technical. Inner software engineers, Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, they saw an opportunity to poke fun at the burgeoning altcoin craze. Their inspiration? The iconic Doge meme featuring Kabosu, a quizzical Shiba Inu. Using colorful Comic Sans text like "such wow" and "much Doge," they launched Dogecoin in just 3 hours. It was a fork of Litecoin, designed to be faster and friendlier than Bitcoin, ideal for small online tips rather than a store of value. What began as a parody quickly birthed a massive community known as Shibes. These users embraced a lighthearted culture of generosity. In 2014, they famously raised enough Doge to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Sochi Winter Olympics and funded clean water projects in Kenya. This do-only-good everyday Doge ethos became the cornerstone of its identity, proving that crypto could be about community, not just cold hard cash. Fast forward to 2021, the year of the Doge father. Elon Musk's tweets sent Dogecoin on a vertical trajectory, capturing global headlines as the price surged by thousands of percent. It was a wild era, showcasing the unprecedented power of social media sentiment. Suddenly, the joke coin was a household name, reaching a market cap that rivaled major corporations. However, this brings us to a critical point: volatility. Unlike traditional assets, Dogecoin's value is heavily tied to social buzz. While some see it as a speculative gamble, others believe in its potential as a mainstream tool for microtransactions. Today, it remains a top cryptocurrency with real-world utility, from tipping creators to purchasing merchandise at major retailers. Whether you view it as a stable utility asset or a primary player in the future of global payments, Dogecoin's journey from a 2013 meme to a multi-billion-dollar powerhouse is a testament to the power of community. It's a reminder that in the modern world, the most unexpected ideas fueled by humor and collective belief can leave a permanent mark on the financial landscape.